1, 1, 1. I have audio going to the ATEM Mini Extreme with the Rode Wireless Go 2. I have hardwired Tentacle sync with 32-bit. I also have this boom mic. The boom mic and the Rode Wireless Go are both going to the ATEM Mini Extreme. I am in the garage where I live. This is my proof of concept, rough draft. I have a rolling stand. I do not need AC power. I have a NANLITE Forza 200 with a 26-volt battery powering the NANLITE Forza 200. Using the NANLITE EasyBox Pro Octa. I found this round sandbag from Las Vegas. I used Avenger, Manfrotto, Lastolite, and also Catalina, the real ones. So I'll talk about this further, but this is just showing a rough, very rough, not cable managed setup, which I can also have my multiple cameras using the Hollyland Mars 300. This is my A7R4. I am in my parking garage. My car's in the shop, so I just wanted to show that I can have a little YouTube station filming, recording one nightstand without having to have AC. I think it looks pretty nice. I do have to move this camera back down to here, but when I set this up, I need to put the audio in this spot right here, so I can have the camera be right here, which is where I had it before, but I couldn't see the audio. Just a very short video. I have to give credit to Caleb, which I'll have his name of this channel, but he heavily inspired me to try to build this rolling stand that I can bring downstairs where I live. I have to bring it and put it in an elevator, so it has to be mobile. I'm only at 8% power on this Forza 200, so I don't think I'll have a lack of power there. I don't think the ATEM Mini Extreme takes a lot of power. I'm assuming the Samsung monitor might take a little power, but in my ZV1 shouldn't take too much power, and that's all being powered by this V mount battery back here. I have it plugged in to this, which is a V mount battery adapter, so I can have two plugs, 4 USBs on the side. So just a very rough, my first time using this. The A7R4 signals being brought over via my Hollyland Mars 300. I did upgrade to the ATEM Mini Extreme because of the 8 inputs. I also have my quest of getting better audio. Cable management has to be done much better. The BTS roving is my Apple iPhone 12 Max Pro. So I have two BTSs. My other camera, which is recording me now. So my little rolling stand recording station that looks like it's a little bit front heavy, which I might rotate the battery from the Forza 200 and move it to the back. Try to even out the weight. But as you can see, plenty of power with this 26-volt battery. I am currently using, I'll come over here. I have the Pro Mist 3 to 5 on my camera. Get a little misty. And this is what I'm recording with, which I do love this. I like that I can hold it and I can place it down if I want to. I'm outside, just trying, since I had it all set up, I have the, why do I touch my glasses for? I have the one light stand, polling stand. I walked my way from the garage outside. I got lucky. Today is a gorgeous day, first time outside. Once again, I have the boom mic, Rode Wireless Go 2, and this Tentacle Sync. Hopefully I'll have good audio. I have the Forza 200 outside. I have it on more power. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the light a little bit. Since I have a hat on, all right, hopefully that's a little bit better. All right, outside, gorgeous day. I still have to get used to looking at the camera. I moved the camera back in front of the monitor. I do have it next to the audio on the ATEM Mini Extreme. I have the second camera across the street, so you guys can see the phenomenal sunset. Once again, all powered by V-mount batteries. I did bring up the power on the NANLITE to about 50%. All right, just a short little video showing the rolling stand, which this is just extremely not organized yet. So I'll have a parts list and everything. All right, here comes a fast car. You'll see it fly by. Not impressed. All right. I'll put this video together with the inside the garage, and hopefully I can come up with a solid 8 minutes of video.